Sometimes I wonder how Saurav Joshi has kept the vlog relevance going. Like, कुछ तो समझता है. Like, he understands something on a deeper level. Like, I can't exactly explain what. I remember even when Saurav Joshi had grown initially, it had come out of nowhere. I don't know if you'll remember that.
Yeah.
But then to sustain it, I don't think कि जितना लोगों से easy समझ उतना easy है नहीं. Because I've vlogged for one phase and it was very tiring.
And he does that every single
day.
Yeah.
नहीं, sacrifices a lot though. मतलब हम
What
लोग
do you
chill भी कर रहे होते हैं and like after every event हम लोग बैठ के सब बात करते हैं creators, right? But he goes to his room कि मुझे edit करना है.
Wow.
10 PM he
Yeah.
has to go back to his room and सुबह 6-7 बजे उठना है मुझे.
Yeah.
Vlog करना है.
That
So
way
that
also
discipline.
he's too disciplined.
Yeah, that
कि
discipline
सुबह
is
4
crazy.
a.m. 6 a.m. he will wake up
Yeah.
and he will start vlogging his own things also. He won't even wait for us कि ठीक है.
You know, I remember some actor, I think it was Rajkumar Rao on the show, उन्होंने कहा कि हर एक्टर ना वेट करता है खुद के पर्पल पैच के लिए, लाइक खुद के प्राइम के लिए, इक्वल टू प्राइम इन स्पोर्ट्स. आई थिंक मे बी कॉन्टेंट इज काइंड ऑफ द सेम. वुड यू कंपेयर कॉन्टेंट टू स्पोर्ट्स करियर?
I feel like there are some people who wait for their prime and then some people who know how to create it. It's
Whenever they
Saurav
want.
falls in that category where he's so intelligent that he knows how he can create his
Create
prime
it,
and
yeah.
bring it back repeatedly.
Which other creators are like this?
I think anyone who's sustained for long enough, Bhuvan, Carrie,
Yeah.
Ashish, all of them.
What do you think they want to do now going? Bhuvan, हर किसी को पता है. I think he'll reach that Shah Rukh Khan, Akshay Kumar level also. As far as I know, Ashish को filmmaking करनी है. As far as I know, and acting within that filmmaking. What about
सबको
Carrie?
मोस्टली इंडस्ट्री में जाना है. कैरी का आई डोंट नो, मतलब वी हैवंट मेट हिम वेरी ऑफन और लाइक spoken to him
जितना
too
मुझे पता है, I
much.
think he wants to be, even if he goes into Bollywood, वो writing space में ज़्यादा जाएगा than being
Even
an
as a
actor.
director, he will
Yeah,
be a
director,
great
yeah.
director and a
Yeah,
writer.
I don't, knowing him, I don't think he'll want to go into Bollywood.
हाँ हो सकता है.
I
आई थिंक
think.
थोड़ा वो नो
Yeah.
बुलशिट टाइप लगता है मुझे.
हाँ.
ही वुड वांट कि मेरे हिसाब से सब बढ़िया बने.
Maybe like a show, a very like Muffat show or something. I also feel कि like since I've known him, which is from very long ago, 2017-ish, उनका एक बहुत ही creative genius वाला muscle रहा है. And he's always come up with something new.
Yeah.
That's what I say. Every year one very, very new, fresh thing.
हाँ.
Who else? What's up in other people's lives? I've kind of lost touch. Are you guys in touch with people?
ऐसे तो मसाला बहुत है. मतलब even about your life we get reels. ये हो गया, वो हो गया, इसने
ये
इसको
ना-
unfollow कर दिया. So then it's like out there आजकल too much.
I feel a lot of that masala is, some of it is true, some of it is false. It's like burji of like,
Yeah. Even the timelines are wrong. The names and people are wrong sometimes, and it's like all.
I have literally opened Reddit and seen really like untrue rumors. Someone has sent me a link saying, oh, check this. And I'm like, all these things are not true.
Are you also shocked कि ये आया कहाँ से?
I mean, you kind of feel कि यार लोग ऐसे चीजें create क्यों कर रहे हैं? You have that question and then you realize, okay, I guess it's just an outcome of fame.
Yeah.
And ये मैं content creator के perspective से कह रहा हूँ, I'm sure Bollywood feels the same, cricket feels the same.
Yeah.
And जब भी seniors से बात करता हूँ ना, from films, from cricket, वो सब कहते हैं कि it's a part of fame. You have to learn to like just swim through it. And lies about you will be spread.
और अभी फिलहाल like we were speaking about कि next क्या है, I think वो personality और वो life वाला content ज़्यादा चल रहा है.
Like
यही like vlogs, like Saurav's
Yeah.
wedding is being discussed and scrutinized to each degree at the moment, right? तो वो type की चीजें जो चल रही है, यही I think right now we are in that phase for sure.
people, वही voyeurism.
Yeah.
People want Big Boss from the real world.
And scripted का वैसे भी hype जा रहा है because as I said, pattern recognition हो गया है पूरा. So people know exactly कौन क्या try कर रहा है. But when it's unscripted, like Saurav's personal life, तो फिर वो that becomes very interesting.
Scripted का hype जा रहा है.
Hype जा रहा है. People like raw things now.
Yeah.
Like what?
Like
मतलब सेम जोक्स जो हम भी वीडियो
Yeah.
में करते हैं ना, दैट अभी जैसे मैं बैठ के बात कर रही हूँ इज अ वेरी डिफरेंट वे ऑफ डूइंग इट rather than I'm just like chilling with my friends, I'm walking around, I'm out
Yeah.
somewhere and I crack the same joke, then it's funnier there than if I sit in my room and record
yeah,
it
if
like
it's choreographed तो वो उतना funny नहीं लगता. Just I don't know, subconsciously इतना content consume करके ऐसा हो गया brain. when you think someone's trying to be funny, ये एक situation create कर रहा है ताकि ये joke मार सके, then it's not.
So for a creator, then the challenge is how do I make it to people's algorithms while also being very raw?
Or very raw. Yes.
So this is one format.
हाँ.
Vlog is one format. Then
Even latent was very raw ना, इसलिए that's another.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही raw चला गया था.
you just create a situation and whatever moments happen, that is your short content piece.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
For how long?
Free flowing.
At least for 1 year.
नहीं 2 years तो चलेगा.
2
ऐसे.
साल तो
2-3
चलेगा
साल
ही.
चलेगा.
बिकॉज अभी ना AI स्क्रिप्ट अगर कोई बोल रहा होता है ना तो पता चलता है. सो देर आर क्रिएटर्स जैसे ट्रैवल का हो गया या फूड का कंटेंट जो लोग बनाते हैं ना, एंड व्हेन दे आर डिस्क्राइबिंग द रेस्टोरेंट, द फूड, द वाइब, उनके बातों में मुझे आई कैन हियर ChatGPT थ्रू देयर वर्ड्स कि ये पक्का किसी और ने लिखा है. Even captions by celebrities, creators, they forget to remove the quotation marks from GPT.
You know, sometimes I feel ki we talk about these things all the time, but this is our content creator muscle speaking because we are trained to see this. I don't know if the rest of the social media world, I'm not talking about professional content creators, I'm talking about brands or corporates who use social media, kitty party aunties. Do they understand all this and is there value in all this for them? Probably think there is.
Yeah.
There
Like,
is. अगर script
उनको-
easily बन के मिल रही है, then why not use it?